my channel, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to be showing off Nerf guns today. Let's get into it. Okay, well, this is basically my first Nerf gun that I'm going to be showing today. Shoots a lot of darts. Okay, this one, go in the junk pile. Now, our second Nerf gun today is going to be this one. This is a pretty nice Nerf gun. Shoots a couple of bullets. It's not bad, and it shoots pretty good. Okay, in the junk pile, this is one of my favorite Nerf guns, right here. SMG, yeah. And all you gotta do is just the top, cock it back, and just shoot it. Junk pile. Next, it's a pretty nice shotgun, yeah. But it's yellow and all that idea. I'm not a huge fan of them colors, but I like it. Pretty good shotgun for a Nerf gun. Okay. Now we got this little guy. This little guy is pretty small, but he can shoot better than you think. Better than I think too. He's not that bad. Oof. Okay. To the next gun. This gun ain't a bad gun. Cool little gun. It came with shotgun shells, but it's a pretty cool gun. At least I think it's pretty cool. Junk pile. Okay. These are cool little pistol setup. They're not bad. And they shoot pretty good. It came with little bottles, but it's okay. We're going to save the best Nerf gun for last, though, because I know what the best Nerf gun is. Junk pile, junk pile. Okay, now this Nerf gun. This Nerf gun's not bad. Not bad. It don't shoot the powerful force, though, like the next Nerf gun I'm going to show. But it's not that bad of a Nerf gun. It's a zombie. Junk pile. Time to the legend. This is going to be the legend Nerf gun. Oh my gosh. It's a machine gun. Well, it's a minigun, really, but these buttons say on and off. Basically, you can see that now. Turn it on. Hit turn on. Makes a minigun noise. Off. It's not going to do anything. Now, trigger. Yeah, this shoot trigger. And bullets. And it came with a couple extra 100 bullets. So, yeah, but this is my minigun. And I love it. Of course I do. Pretty cool gun. Now, that is a pretty nice gun, too. Okay, well, hope you guys liked the video. Bye!